Hello everybody, it's time for some Gundam Tat. I have here something from the Gundam Arms Ball Pen series, or GABP, GAB. Right, so as you would gather, this is a ballpoint pen, and this is in the shape of RX-78-2's Beam Rifle. So it looks like there is a selection from the original Gundam series and also the MS-8 team. We can see the bazooka from the Zaku 2, the Gatling shield from the Guff RX-78's beam rifle, and the gun cannon's beam rifle. Yes, it's a ballpoint pen in the shape of a Gundam weapon. Made in China. I don't know how much this one costs. It's got one of these metallic foil stickers on it, which means it's an official piece of merchandising. It's just sealed together with sellotape on either side of the packaging. Ooh, it includes a decal sheet here. One of those very shiny plastic type ones. None of them are pre-cut, so you're going to have to get your scissors into this one. Comes with a stand, which is very straightforward to put together. This is a product from 2008, made in China. It's licensed by Sunrise. So it's molded in a blue plastic, and it has a yellow paint application for the scope, Earth Federation logo on both sides. Doesn't seem to be articulated in any way. It's quite big. Size comparisons with a tin of pop. And the butt of the gun is slightly raised here more than usual, so I expect if I click this in, it reveals the ballpoint tip. I suppose it's not the most comfortable pen in the world. Let's see if it works as a pen. Yeah, it works as a pen. So there's a mechanism here. If you want to retract the pen, you have to click on the side. What a load of old tat.